I am about to share with you how to import your digital planner to the Goodnotes app. First, open the Goodnotes app. Then press the plus button. Select Import. Then, select on my iPad option in the sidebar. Select the planner, notebook, and sticker catalog files. And then, press Open. Allow some time for the files to import into the Goodnotes app. Congratulations! You can start planning now. If you want to learn how to personalize your planner, follow these steps. Open your planner so you can see its cover. Then open the Files app. Locate the Stickers folder and open it. Open the Cover Banner folder. Then go back to the Goodnotes app. Enable split screen mode. Select the Files app. Drag and drop the cover banner you selected. Now you can close the split screen mode. Take some time to resize and adjust your cover banner. Enable text mode. Personalize your cover banner with your name or the name of your business or project. Make sure you adjust the text so it fits inside the banner. Share this with someone that needs this video.